Okay, so here I'm going to show how you remove a touchscreen digitizer with the LCD from one of these Lenovo Yogas. This is a model 720-15 IKB. So at first it seems tricky, like there's an adhesive behind here. So most people, they don't know, they'll like try and rip it out. There's two screws. On a lot of these, when they have screws like this, you can slide this, and then it will come out. But on this specific model, they actually use an adhesive here. So they have these little tabs that stick out here. Let me flip it over. So what you want to do is grab the little tab. It might be a little tricky. And then it has this stretchy adhesive. So what you want to do is just slowly pull on this. It'll cause the adhesive to stretch. And when the adhesive stretches, it actually will lose some of its stickiness. And it will allow it to actually come out from under the screen. So you just keep slowly pulling this. Do it slowly. Be careful, because if you rip this, then you're screwed. And the screen is going to be permanently stuck there. So you just keep slowly pulling on it. This is similar to what they use on some of the iPhones now to hold the battery in place. But yeah, pretty much you just slowly keep pulling this. Okay, I was confused at first, like why isn't the screen coming off? But now I found out it has this tab after looking at it, and one guy ripped it out and showed that. He was like, oh, you're gonna have to heat it and pry it. After I saw that, I realized it's one of those where you can actually pull this adhesive out. Okay, so they have two of these. Some models might be different, but this one has two. As you see, the adhesive is all coming out. See how much adhesive there is? It's a long strand. So you just keep going, keep pulling, and eventually the entire thing will come out. You'll know it's complete because see, it's like smooth and flat on the end. So that means it didn't tear. But if you tear this, you're screwed. So make sure to be careful. The other one is underneath this LCD cable. Okay. So you just, same thing, try and get a hold of it. Come on. See if I can use this adhesive to grab it. Yeah, that's tough. If you have tweezers, it might be useful, but I don't want to go get them right now, so I'm gonna just keep trying. If it's too tough, then I'll give up, and then I'll maybe go get some tweezers or something, or to do this while holding the camera with one hand too. Okay, I'm about to give up. I'm gonna go get some tools soon. Okay, I got it. Alright, so same thing. Just grab it and keep pulling. Just like that. Keep pulling. This person's hinge broke, so I have to remove the screen to replace it. Pull slowly. Don't want to rip it. Come on. Please don't rip. I'm scared. It's getting... If you can, try not to clump the adhesive together. But with one hand, I don't really have a choice. Okay, just keep pulling it, just like that. Okay. It's like it never ends. You just keep pulling it. Alright, I can feel it's almost there. Alright, there you go. Now you got the whole adhesive off. I don't know if they sell this kind of adhesive to put it back, But once you got that, then I believe this should slide downwards, because there are actually some like parts that stick out here. You can somewhat see the metal sticking out. It's not focusing because of the reflection, but you can see there's like a metal tab. There's like several that go along. So what you want to do is kind of, if you can, slide this downwards. Slide the screen down towards the base. Okay. Just like that. And then you can lift this and then slide it, and there you go. See? So now you can see the screen is actually coming apart, and it's like that. Okay, so be careful with the wires, because this wire is attached and it goes to the webcam here. Okay, but that's how you remove that without destroying it. If you want, you can put some adhesive back, maybe a little bit double stick tape towards the bottom, so next time if you need to remove it, it's easier. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, if you can find those kinds of double stick stretchy adhesives, you can use those again. And then, but yeah, if you just put a little bit double stick tape, or you don't even need double stick tape, because the screws will keep these parts in here to prevent the screen from coming out. But that's all you need to hold it together. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, bye.